Hello, and welcome to English Talk New York. I am Sarah, your host.
And I am Mike. We are here to help you practice your English listening skills. Today, our topic is hobbies and free time.
Yes, hobbies are great for making friends. Let's listen to our main conversation of the day.
Hi there. My name is Mike. It is a beautiful day in the park, isn't it?
Hello, Mike. Yes, it is. My name is Sarah. I am new in the city and I love finding quiet places.
Welcome to New York, Sarah. What do you like to do when you have free time?
Thank you. In my free time, I really like reading. I love mystery books. Do you like reading?
I like reading, but I prefer being active. I usually go jogging in Central Park every morning.
Oh, that sounds very healthy. Do you run for a long time?
Just for 30 minutes, it helps me wake up and feel good. How about you? Do you like any sports?
I am not very good at sports. I prefer walking. I can walk for hours. I love looking at the architecture.
That is a great hobby. New York has amazing buildings. What about music? Do you like music?
I love jazz. I go to a small jazz club on 52nd Street sometimes. Do you play an instrument?
I play the guitar. It is my favorite thing to do on Sunday afternoons at home.
That sounds lovely. Can you play any songs?
Yes, I can play many songs. It is relaxing. What about your weekends? Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I watch comedies on Netflix. They are very funny. Do you like action movies?
I like action movies, but only at the cinema. The big screen makes them better.
I agree. Do you like cooking? I'm learning to cook Italian food.
Cooking is fun. I try to make pasta on Fridays. Do you like taking photos of your food?
Sometimes I use my phone to take photos of everything. It is a good way to remember my trip.
That is true. Do you like shopping?
I like window shopping. I like looking at the clothes, but I don't buy things often.
Me neither. I prefer saving my money for travel. I want to visit Japan next year.
Japan, that is a dream of mine too. Do you like swimming?
I love it. The ocean is my favorite place.
We have similar interests. Maybe we can go to the beach together next summer?
That is a wonderful idea. I would really like that.
Perfect. It was a great conversation, Mike.
It was my pleasure, Sarah. See you soon.
Wow, what a wonderful conversation. Now, let's look at the key phrases that made this chat so natural. Mike, what is the first thing our listeners should learn?
The first one is in my free time. This is the golden key to talking about your hobbies. Instead of just saying, I like books, you say, in my free time, I like reading books. It helps you start a sentence clearly.
Exactly. And to make it even better, we used I prefer. This is used to make a choice. If someone asks, do you like tea or coffee? You can say, I prefer coffee. It's a very strong, useful word. Listeners, try saying it, I prefer music to movies.
Good one, Sarah. Another great phrase we heard was, how about you? This is the secret to a good conversation. You don't want to talk only about yourself, right? When you finish your sentence, always add, how about you, to invite the other person to share.
Definitely. And if you want to sound friendly and interested, use that sounds lovely or that sounds great. When Mike said he plays the guitar, I said, that sounds lovely. It shows the other person that you are listening carefully.
Let's also highlight, I am new in the city. For our listeners traveling to New York or other places, this is a perfect way to introduce yourself. It tells the other person that you are exploring and open to advice.
Yes. And a final tip for today, I'm learning to. When you're a beginner, use this to explain your progress. I'm learning to cook, or I'm learning to speak English. It shows you're doing something new and exciting.
Those are 5 amazing tools for your English toolbox. In my free time, I prefer, how about you, that sounds lovely, I am learning to.
Listeners, we have a challenge for you today. In the comments below, write a sentence using one of these phrases. For example, in my free time, I like to study English.
We want to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining us on this first episode of English Talk New York.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.